Hello, I'm Neale Whitaker and I'm here at RSL Art Union's latest prize home at Freshwater on Sydney's beautiful northern beaches. For me, it has been so exciting breathing new life and personality into this gorgeous oceanfront property. Sydney's northern beaches offer an unparalleled lifestyle, and this 4-bedroom family home has absolutely got it all. Right in front of you. This house is all about the ocean. It's all about the beach. It's all about lifestyle. All the colour you need in this house comes from there. So what I've done throughout is keep the palette very, very neutral. I've used tones of white, cream, pale grey, and for interest, I've added natural textures. I've added wood, I've added wicker, I've added grass. Everything that is tonal and neutral to keep it interesting, but to keep it soft and to allow that magnificent ocean view to be the hero. I've always believed that the kitchen is the heart of the home, and this property is no exception, except here you've got the added advantage of the ocean right at your side. I mean, what cook is not going to love working in this kitchen with the ocean right there outside the window? And because the ocean is the hero, I've chosen a very neutral palette here. I've gone for Caesar stone bench tops in noble grey, which I've used throughout the house, in the laundry, kitchen, kitchenette and butler's pantry, and I've teamed it with Kinsman's oyster grey cabinetry. I feel it's a really lovely blend, and I've put with it one of my favourite tiles, this classic matte subway tile, which I've used as a splashback here. I've taken it through into the butler's pantry, which is newly created, and I've used it again in the laundry and the kitchenette upstairs. For a bit of interest and texture, I've added these wicker pendants. Neutral, tonal, but I think they give impact and a bit of drama to the kitchen. Now, I'm a firm believer that every living space needs one hero piece. And I'm also a firm believer that if in doubt, oversize. And in here, this magnificent dining table is definitely the hero. I wanted to use natural timber because I think it adds warmth and texture to this neutral palette. And don't forget, everything is about that ocean view here. But I wanted to also prove that you can create interest and warmth and depth with a neutral palette. And I think that this dining table absolutely steals the show. This master retreat occupies the whole top floor of the house, and it is absolutely the jewel in the crown of this property. You have a master ensuite with walk-in robes, and then you've got a private living room with kitchenette, all with direct access to that magnificent view. This home really does offer the ultimate in outdoor living. This roof terrace has become the perfect outdoor room, and it's large enough to have its own dining zone and living zone, with a view to match. And remember, a $5 ticket will give you the opportunity to win this $4.8 million prize.